Standard 5 students, today in chapter 12 we will start exercises. So first we will discuss about exercise A, that is tick the correct answer. So first question is, which gas is present in maximum percentage? Options are A oxygen, B carbon dioxide, C nitrogen. So it is nitrogen, that is 78%. So the maximum percentage is of nitrogen, so we will tick the option C, that is nitrogen. Now second question is, which of the following gases absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun? Options are A nitrogen, B carbon dioxide and C ozone. So here again option C will be correct, because ozone layer present in the stratosphere absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun and protect us from many skin cancer and many other diseases. And next is third number, which of these is the first layer of the atmosphere? Options are A troposphere, B mesosphere, C thermosphere. So here we know that troposphere is the first and the lowest layer of the atmosphere. So option A will be correct and we will tick A troposphere. Question number 4 is, this process is used to remove insoluble impurities from water. Options are filtration A, B distillation, C evaporation. So insoluble impurities can be removed from water by the help of filtration. So we will tick here option A, filtration. Now next is 5 number. Drinking impure water can cause diseases like A jaundice, B cholera, C both A and B. So we know that jaundice and cholera both are caused by the drinking impure water. So the option C, that is both A and B, will be correct here. Now we will see about the question B, that is fill in the blanks. First number is, the thick blanket of air that envelops our earth is called atmosphere. We know that our earth is covered with the air, that's why it is atmosphere. Next is, the atmosphere is a mixture of, we know that atmosphere is a mixture of many gases. So we will write here gases. Third is, air exerts. So air exerts pressure on everything, so it will be pressure. Now question number 4, space shuttles orbit in the, so we know that space shuttles orbit in the thermosphere, so we will write here thermosphere. Next 5 number is, the amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. The amount of water is called humidity, so we will write here humidity. Question number 6 is, the process of changing water or any other liquid to vapor on heating is called evaporation. So water changes into liquid, that is known as evaporation. Now next question number C we will see, that is write T for true statements and F for false statements. So let us see question number 1 is, air does not contain argon gas at all. No, it is false, because air contains argon. 0.09% of argon is present in the air. So it is false. We will write here F. Second is, nitrogen is the most abundant gas present in the air. Yes, it is true, because we know 78% of the air is occupied by nitrogen. Question number 3 is, neon and xenon are well known for their light emitting properties. It is true. We know both are emitting light. 4 number is, the amount of water vapor contained in the air is called condensation. No, it is false. Now we know that it is known as humidity, but here it is given condensation, so this statement is wrong. Now next is 5 number. Stratosphere is the second layer of the earth's surface. So it is true, because first layer is troposphere and after that there is stratosphere. Now 6 number is, space shuttles orbit in this layer. So we know that space shuttles orbit in thermosphere. So this is stratosphere given here, that's why it is false. We will write here F. Now question number D is, match the following. Column A is photosynthesis required. We know that photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide. So option B will be correct here. We will match with B. Next is oxygen. Oxygen is 21% in the atmosphere, we know. So we will write here option C, 21%. Third number is nitrogen. We know nitrogen is 78%. That is option D is correct here. 4 number is uppermost layer of the earth. We know that uppermost layer is exosphere, so we will write here F. Next is the first layer of the earth. First layer of the earth is troposphere, so we will write here D. 6 is water vapor in the air. We know that water vapor present in the air is known as humidity, so we will write here E. So this is match the following. Now question number E, that is write short answer. So some short answers also we will discuss in this class. Let us discuss. First is, what do you mean by atmosphere? So we answer is the thick blanket of air that envelops our earth is known as atmosphere. So atmosphere is covering the earth. That's why we are knowing it as envelope our earth. Now, the blanket of air that envelops our earth, that is known as atmosphere. Second is, name all the layers of atmosphere. So atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. These layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. You can see in this picture also how many layers are shown here. You can see here all the layers. First is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere and fifth is exosphere, that is the outermost layer which mixes with the space. So all the layers of the atmosphere is shown in this picture. Now let us see about the next question, that is, how is the stratosphere very important layer for atmosphere? Yes, stratosphere is very important layer and it contains much of the ozone in the atmosphere. By absorbing dangerous UV radiation, that is ultraviolet radiation, the ozone in the stratosphere protects us from skin cancer and other health damage. So in this layer is very important because it contains ozone layer. In this, ozone gas is present and this ozone gas absorbs dangerous ultraviolet radiation of the sun and it protects from ultraviolet radiation, and it also protects us by absorbing ultraviolet radiation from skin cancer and other health damages that can be caused by the UV radiation, that is ultraviolet radiation. Now question number 4 is, which is the purest form of water? So we know that rainwater is the purest form of water because rainwater is formed from the clouds. From the clouds rain is falling, and when how clouds are formed? Clouds are condensing water vapor. It is condensed water vapor. How water vapor is formed? When the water bodies evaporate due to the heat of the sun. So these all only water vapor. Water vapor contains pure water only molecules. So it forms only pure water. So rainwater is the purest form of water. Thank you, students. Today we will discuss this much question. In the next class we will discuss more questions. Thank you all of you.